today I am going to do an unboxing of my FabFitFun box. I'm not gonna lie, I got this last night and I opened it already. Because I have no self-control and I couldn't wait until today. But, so it's not gonna be like my reaction to things, but I'm not a really like emotional person anyways, so you're not missing out on much. But we've got our box. Got my coffee over here because I'm really struggling today. I am so tired. My kids are not sleeping. I'm gonna put this back here on my table. I'm at like a really weird, awkward angle. Weird angle. I'm sitting like backwards from my table because there's really good natural lighting this way. So we just do what we can around here. We don't have any fancy stuff. I don't have any lighting equipment or anything like that. We just go where the window looks nice. So that's where we are today. The opposite direction of my kitchen table. But anyways, if you open up the box, I tried so hard to remember the order it was packed in, so it looked like I didn't open it, but I did not do a good job. Let's not even pretend like I did, so. Anyway, when you open it, it looks like this. Ta-da! You've got your little magazine. And I actually do enjoy these magazines. I've had a few other subscription boxes, and I never read the pamphlets. They're just kind of dumb. But this is, it's an enjoyable little magazine. It's fairly big. Lots of articles, fitness, cooking, recipes, stuff like that. So, got our magazine. Always comes with a $50 HelloFresh. $50 off HelloFresh. I've never used it. HelloFresh is pretty expensive. That's why they give you $50 off. No offense to HelloFresh. I would totally try HelloFresh, but right now, I don't know. I might try it this time. Dylan actually mentioned we should try it, but right now we didn't. And usually, here we go. Usually it's packed up super nice. This is like laid out super pretty. It's always sealed with a cute little like sticker. It kind of goes with the theme. This is obviously my spring box, even though it's been snowing all day today and it doesn't feel like spring, but that got kind of jumbled up. Anyways, I'm not going to show you the box because it didn't get put back in nice, but I'll show you what we got. We got this super weird looking thing, but it is by Physique 57, and it is a massage roller. So I guess you roll it on someone else's back or your own back. I don't know. Ooh. I mean, I guess I could do like my lower back, but still, I tried it on my mom last night. And she liked it. It felt nice, and I thought it felt nice too. So it's pretty cool. Everyone likes a good massage, right? I don't know anyone who dislikes a massage. If you dislike a massage, you're an interesting person. That's all I have to say. So I'm into that. I got a Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion, which I'm super excited about because everyone knows Murad's a really good brand, and I need face lotion. I get zits really, really easily. I'm one of those like zitty old people. Or at least that's what I say. Like, I want to moisturize my face because I don't want to be super wrinkly, as I have my Sharpay forehead. Anyways, I don't want to be super wrinkly, but then when I use lotion, I get acne. Because I'm a forever teenager at the same time. So this is what it looks like. I don't know how, like, beauty people do this. They put their hand up. Oh, it works! Okay. Anyways, that's what it looks like. It's 1.7 ounces. But you use, like, such a small amount of face lotion, I legit think that will last a long time. It smells like nothing. Smells like nothing. Unscented, which I guess is good. I'm a super, like, scent-loving person. I know most people think scents are bad and all that, but I'm into scents. That's okay. Just face lotion. Then I got Dermalect. It's all split up funny, but I think it says Dermalect. Yeah. Dermalect Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. Keratin Peptide Infused Professional Lacquer Formula. So when I looked at this box last night, I was like, I don't even know what this is. But it's a nail polish. I'm not sure if it's like a polish or just something that strengthens your nails. But then it says it's a lacquer. It says anti-aging ridge filler. I'm really confused with what this is. So it fills in the ridges of your nails. And I don't understand how it's anti-aging. I've never heard of someone concerned about aging in their fingernails, but I'm going to have young looking fingernails. That's all I know. And it's a lacquer, supposedly. So that's nice because I'm not sure if it will even show up as a color. We should try it. It's one of these like pretty light pinks that I feel like is going to be clear. But paint one of my very misshapen, broken nails. Oh, it's actually pretty. Okay. Here. If you can see at all, probably not. No. It's the same, it's clear, so it's the same color as my nail, but then it has like almost like bluish purple like shimmer in it. So it's really pretty, actually. And I'll use it sometimes. I am not much of a nail painter. I want to be, but I don't know how to be a girl. I don't know what my problem is. I will paint my nails and within 2 hours it's chipped and looks terrible. And then I will just let it be chipped for like months because I'm lazy. But if this is a lacquer like it says it is, then maybe it will stay on me longer and I will have young looking nails. Whatever that means. Anyways, this next thing is Maya Brenner Los Angeles. Comes in this cute little bag. It's a necklace. I love it, actually. Little love necklace. I'm super excited because I've loved all the necklaces I've gotten in these boxes so far. I'm actually wearing the last one I got. It's a touch too long for me. It's always in my shirt, but I got this one last time, and it's real gold. It says Dream. I like it. I actually got this from there too. I use all my stuff that I get out of these boxes. That's why I keep getting them. Totally worth it for 50 bucks. And this is like the thing I'm most excited about. Got this number 14 Super Bloom Anderson Lily. Anderson Lily is the brand, sorry. And it is a candle, and oh my gosh, you can smell it. It like punches you in the face with smell as soon as you open it, which is what I like. I'm a candle freak. I burn a candle, like a whole candle, almost every other month. Love me some candles. This one, the smell is so long, but I'll tell you what it is. It's basil, tangerine leaf, anise, violet, geranium, lily of the valley, jasmine, rose, rosewood, and cashmere musk. It's a lot of smells. They all smell great together. And I love that it's in this like, I don't know, copper. I feel like some people would say rose gold. I think it looks like one of those like mule cups. Anyways, it's in like a copper cup. It's so pretty. So I'm excited to use it. And I just burnt through a candle last night actually because I had company over. So I'm going to put it out today. So I got that candle, super excited. And then we got, do you say ish or is it ISH? Ish. Ish Lip Statement Palette. Which is really hard to open. I struggled last night opening this. I thought it would be easier today because it's been opened once before. There we go. You pull it out. It's in a little satchel. And then you pull it out again. It looks really nice. It's shiny, fancy looking. Wow, that made me look white. Okay. And, ooh, there goes the little brush. Anyways, this is the palette. Ta-da! Lip palette. I'll try one on for you. Let's see, what is a color I want. We're going to try just like a boring neutral color, like maybe that one. I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so that is a lip statement, because that looked like a very just like peachy, I don't know, peachy, not very noticeable color, but it's noticeable, but it's very pretty. So I'm excited. I wear lip stuff, like a lip color of sorts pretty much every day. I'm a very pale person. Like everything about me is pale, so to look alive, I have to put blush on and something on my lips or else I just look, I don't know, sickly. So I'm excited about this, for sure. And then this is one of the things that I was kind of like, because I don't wear eye things. But this is a, what does it say? Free People? Well, people who have like, yeah, Free People. That's the brand. Okay, cool. Understated leather. Free People understated leather. I apparently can't read this font. Anyways, I was just thinking, I'm not one of those people who wear face mask things to sleep. Like, I don't know how people wear these. Number one, I feel claustrophobic. Number two, like this, I would get murdered if I wear these. Maybe that's crazy, but I feel like I won't get murdered if I'm sleeping without a face mask on. But if I have a face mask on and I can't open my eyes quickly at any moment, I will get murdered. That's crazy. Sorry if you can hear my kids. They're yelling at me upstairs. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It's actually really cute, and it's an ice pack. So I actually think I'll use this like just for a tiny bit of time because I can put it in the freezer or the fridge, and it supposedly helps with wrinkles and puffiness and circles and under eye circles and stuff like that. So we'll give it a go for sure. I'm not sure how much I'll use it, but give it a go. Why not? I'm running out of room in this corner. Okay. Then we got this little satchel. Everything is in like little satchels. This little satchel, the brand is KNC Beauty. And I have no idea what these are. I'm kind of excited to try one. I got a whole bunch of lip masks. Collagen, all natural collagen infused lip mask. I have never heard of someone doing a mask just for their lips. But I don't have any lips. Maybe it's plumping. Maybe I will have like Kylie Jenner lips. I don't want that. But maybe I'll have some lips if I use this. They feel huge. Like it feels like it's gonna be so much on my face, but it'll be interesting to try. I'm at least intrigued with these lip masks, for sure. So I'm excited to try some good old lip masks. Two more things. Oh, why is it doing that? Two more things. I'm excited for this one. I'm not sure when. Okay, this is falling. Hold on. Anyway, I'm excited for this one. I'm not sure exactly when I'll use it because I'm not a person, but it's really cute. So this is by Rachel Pally? Pally? I don't know. I'm really bad with names. Rachel Pally. And it's in a satchel as well. It's a bag in a bag. So this is a little clutch, apparently. It's supposed to be the other way. So this is what it looks like on one side. You got your little floral, maybe it's not floral, greenery. I love the little like leather tassel thing. My kids are screaming at me. Tassel thing. The other side is just kind of like a shiny, leathery looking thing. I'm very good at describing things, can't you tell? That's the inside. It's got a cute pocket. Oh, you can see it. The pocket's the same. But I guess in the description what it says to do, because I was thinking this is such an odd like size of bag. But they were saying you use it as a clutch, so you fold it and you carry it like this. Is the deal. But I might use it for something. I don't know. It's very cute. Worst case scenario, it's going to be my toiletry bag for when I travel. It's cute. I will find a use for it for sure. I like it. And then this is the only thing that I was kind of like, slightly disappointed, and it's not because it's bad. And I rewrapped it up. Hold on. Open. Okay. Not because it's bad. It's this, Marrakesh oil, I think is how you say it. I'm bad at reading, I guess. I usually think I'm a good reader, but apparently I'm not. I think it's Marrakesh oil. Anyways, and it's argan and hemp oil therapy hairstyling elixir. But this stuff I love. It smells so good. So good. Has a great smell. It's a really good hair oil. I put it on the ends of my hair regularly. Smells great. Doesn't make my hair greasy. Everything you want in a hair oil. Totally recommend. The only reason that I was even like slightly disappointed is because I got this in a box maybe 3 months ago, I think. A few months ago, because I have only gotten a year's worth of FabFitFun boxes. So I think I got this in my last spring box. And the only thing that sucks is I have only used like half of my last one. I don't know if I just used like a substantially smaller amount of hair oil than the regular person, and they would just like assume that I've used it all. But I'm only like halfway through, and now I have a new bottle, which kind of sucks because I'd way rather get something new. But I do use this regularly. I use it every single day on my hair, and I have been, I guess, for a year since the last time I got one. So now I have a stockpile, which isn't the worst thing that's ever happened to somebody. And that is it for the box. I can tell you, so there were a couple variables. If you don't know about FabFitFun, they're like, gotta find the page. There's some basics, and then there's some variables of things that you can get. So, oh, this is huge. So like it lists all of the basic things, and then, where is it? Oh, down here. You can't really tell it's pink, but down here is the variables. So I could have gotten earrings instead of getting the necklace, and I could have gotten this body butter instead of getting the lip masks. The lip masks. But it tells you how much retail was for everything. And I got the lip masks and the necklace were more expensive products. So I got the two more expensive options. So I got the most expensive possible box, I guess. So I paid $50 for this box, and the total retail value is $354.99, which is crazy. It blows my mind every single time when I find out how much the stuff I got is worth. And I will admit that for a while I was thinking this has to be a scam. There's no way that they're giving me this much stuff. And I've actually taken the time to look up everything I got in one of my boxes on just their regular retail websites if I were ordering them individually. And it is legit. They're not lying about how much they're selling their stuff or how much their retail value is. So it's a really, really good deal. If you're thinking about doing FabFitFun, I absolutely recommend you do it. I've loved it. I've done it for a year, and I am a subscription box crazy person. Like I don't do more than one at a time, but I think I've tried almost every one that's out there, and I usually don't last very long with them. They're fun for a second, and then they get boring, or I just get too much of the same stuff, I guess. Like I don't go through stuff fast enough. So this one is nice because it's always different variable things. You get a huge amount of worth, like product worth, for a small amount of money. And it's the only thing that I do for myself. If we're being honest, I don't buy myself things. It's like typical mom life. I don't buy myself things. I buy everything for other people, and I'm always trying to save money so we can go to like Disneyland or go on vacation or something like that. So this is the one thing that I do for myself, and I absolutely love it. I would recommend it seriously to anybody. If you can afford $200 a year, because that's all it is. It's every 3 months. It's a nice thing for moms, and not even just moms, but just like anybody, to treat yourself. So I say treat yourself. Thanks for watching. I have to go get my kids because they are mad that the iPad has died upstairs. My electronic babysitter is gone. That's a terrible thing to say, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do when you have no co-parent to help you film. So I will see you next time. Let me know if you have tried FabFitFun in the description and what you thought. I'm curious to see maybe what people's opinions and experiences were as well, since I've only gotten 4 total boxes up until now. And don't forget to subscribe and like. I put out 2 videos a week. One is usually a vlog. The other one is a sit-down video where I talk about something mommy-ish, lady-ish, life-ish, whatever. I have to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.